let's move on to the next theory. So let's begin by asking you that have you ever wondered or have you ever found yourself pondering the origins of the universe, wondering if there's more than just the theory of Big Bang, more than just the story than the familiar narrative of the Big Bang theory. So, if not or if yes, doesn't matter. We are about to dive into a cosmic tale that adds a unique twist to the conventional understandings of a cosmic beginning other than the Big Bang theory. So, as I mentioned, we are all familiar with Big Bang theory, right? So that spectacular explosion from a minimalism point propelling into the universe into an ongoing expansion of the universe. But what if I told you that there's a prequel to the Big Bang theory, a very concept that predates it and introduces to the notion of the big splat which happened before the Big Bang. Imagine two universes hurtling towards each other, colliding into a celestial ballet, and the voila, the apocalyptic scenario is born. Back in 2001, a group of physicists crafted this very cosmic narrative, proposing a cyclic universe where events repeat in a cosmic loop after the other. It's like the universe hitting the rewind button again and again, starting anew without the explosive inflation and the expansion were typically associated with the conventional Big Bang model. Now, this model is undeniably captivating, but it comes with a fair shares of complexities and assumptions. So we enter into this ghost condensation. Go ahead and Google it if you dare. You can actually Google it. So the term which I just mentioned, the ghost condensation, this term adds a layer of intricity to the apocryptic scenario, making it intellectually be simulating, but according to many contemporary scientists, perhaps a bit too speculative and unlikely. So, in this realm of cosmological theories, simplicity often holds a lot of promise than complexities. Despite the allure of these scenarios, most of the scientists back then, even today, most scientists today find solace in the reliability of the tired and the truth theory of the Big Bang. So it's the classic tale that weaves measurement and theories into a coherent narrative, providing us with the most robust understanding of a universe genesis and growth. Think of it like choosing a timeless classic over an experimental literature which exists today. These scenario may be a event grand option, but the Big Bang remains the leading chapter in a cosmic epic, supported by meticulous and measurements and very refined and complex theories. But the Big Bang stands tall as the lynching of understanding of how our universe came into existence. So, as we traverse this cosmic expanse of possibilities and theories, let's appreciate the enduring legacy of the Big Bang, a narrative that has stood the test of time and continues to shape our reality of a comprehension of the grand cosmic drama which is the birth of a universe, birth of you and mine and the entire universe. Thank you. Hi there, fellow enthusiasts. Now we're going to ponder upon the question about the notion, much like the very old saying about a washed pot never boiling and scrutinizing the universe too closely that might lead to fascinating concept that some theorists are exploring, and it adds a whole new layer to our understanding of the cosmos. So let's dig deep into the mind-bending idea in a bit more detail. So imagine this: scientists estimate that a mere 4% of our entire universe is composed of a tangible matter, the kind of stuff that you can touch like rocks and water. That's just 4%. The remaining 26%, however, is an entity known as the dark matter. It's a term that you are being familiar with but don't really know what it is. It's an elusive, invisible through binoculars, and its presence is only inferred from the gravitational effects it exerts. Essentially, we are dealing with a substantial portion of the universe that remains hidden from a direct observations. And then there's a grand majority, a colossal 70% that's attributed to the dark energy, the unseen force that dispersed throughout the voids of the space throughout the universe appears to be a driving factor behind the accelerating expansion of the universe. Scientists are still grappling with the nature of the dark energy, but its influence on the cosmic stage is undeniable and unimaginable. Now, here's where it gets truly intriguing. Professor Lawrence Cross, in a widely discussed research article, postulated a rather provocative idea, which states that merely observing dark energy might have repercussions for the universe life expectancy. The theoretical basis for these claims lie in the quantum zero effect, a peculiar aspect of quantum mechanics suggesting that the act of observation directly influences the object being observed. So, in simple terms, I can tell you that our attempts to understand dark matter's energy might inadvertently tinker with the very fabric of the universe, causing it to evert with some of the earlier states. So before we get too carried away, Visions of the Doomsday, essential to note that the article was censored by the media, particularly the parts about the universe, which eventually led to his dismiss. So he swiftly edited the piece for clarification, but underlying the concept of the Zeno effects remains a legit aspect of the quantum mechanics. Thank you. Alright, guys, let's embark on another extraordinary journey through this cosmos and our solar system, where our solar system transforms into a colossal pool table and the planets become a cosmic billiard balls colliding, smashing, and giving birth to new celestial entities in their wake. So, this mind expansing narrative was spun by the audacious Emmanuel in the groundbreaking 1950 bestsellers book called The Worlds in Collision, inviting us all to envision a celestial ballet of planetary collisions that reshapes our cosmic neighborhood. The theory that we are talking about, that a neighboring planet Venus, might actually not be a planet but actually be a comet. So picture this: it's roughly around 3,500 years ago, a cosmic epoch where a titanic celestial body uh, carriers into Jupiter, sending shock waves which reverberating across the vastness of the space, in the emptiness of the space. So, in this cosmic shuffle, Venus, a brilliant neighborhood, in forcefully ejected from Jupiter, assuming the guise of a magnificent comet as it hurtles through the intricate dance of the solar system. Now, because Venus isn't just on a scenic tour, it zips past Earth, leaving biblical catalysts in its wake before gracefully morphing into an awe-inspiring planet we know today. But here's the cosmic conundrum: this extravagant tale, while captivating, found itself in the crosshairs of skepticism from the scientific community of our Earth, and for a very good reason actually. So the theories were quite bold and imaginative, as they were clashed head on with the hallowed laws of the physics, notably the Newton's law of motion, the guardian of the principles governing acceleration and velocity. Moreover, the very composition of the atmosphere of the Venus stands in stark contrast to that of planet Jupiter, and there is no geological evidence here on Earth or anywhere else in our solar system or universe that could sustain the theories and the bold claims which were given on Earth. So now let's rewind to the aftermath of this cosmic revelation. So the book which I mentioned earlier faced swift and nearly unanimous dismissal by the scientific elites of the society. Yet the allure of the ideas persisted, weaving a cosmic narrative that resonated with by captivating by the intersections of the biblical tales and ancient mythologies. So this cosmic odyssey, while not be endorsed by the mainstream science of today's world, left an indelible mark on popular culture, creating a legacy that science has struggled, perhaps unsuccessfully, to fully completely erase from people's mind. So this cosmic roller coaster navigated between the realms of scientific skepticism and imaginative wonder, and this cosmic journey remained a testament to the enduring dance between science and storytelling, challenging us to ponder the mysteries of our solar system and a universe through the lens of an audacious visionary. Strap in, fellow cosmic travelers, For this is a saga that transverses the boundaries of reality and imagination, leaving us to contemplate the vast tapestry of universe and the forces that shape our cosmic destiny. Thank you.